Hi, this is Pavitra. Today's topic is digital voltmeter. In the next slide, see here, in this slide, let us see how the digital voltmeter look like this. Here I have given the two digital voltmeters of different type. They are looking at different type because they are designed on based on different capacities or maybe capabilities. That is based on the voltages. If it is from 0 to 2 volt or 0 to 20 volt or 0 to 200 volt, depending upon the capacity or capability, they have designed for different values that digital voltmeters are displayed in this slide. Okay. What is voltmeter? A voltmeter is an instrument used for measuring the electric potential difference between the 2 points of an electric circuit. See here, in this electric circuit, the difference between the 2 points, that is electrical potential difference, that is called as an voltage, that can be measured by an instrument called as a voltmeter. So, voltmeter is an instrument which are used to measure the voltages are called as a potential differences between the 2 points. Technically speaking, all voltmeters are basically ammeters. That is, we know that the ammeter is a device which can measure an electric current in a circuit. So, all voltmeters are an ammeters as they measure, ammeters measure the current rather than the voltage. But in voltmeters, it measures the voltage rather than the current. This is the difference between the ammeters and voltmeters. They are constructed in the same. They measures the current. Here the voltmeter measures the voltage. So, why the word digital is so special, that is, what's so special being digital? Okay, the general purpose of analog voltmeters may have an accuracy of a few percent of a full scale, and they used with the voltages from a fraction of a volt to several thousand volts. The digital voltmeter can be made with a high accuracy, typically better than 1%. Specially calibrated test instruments have higher accuracies, with the laboratory instruments capable of measuring to accuracies of a few parts per million. So, in this slide, we can explain that the general purpose of the voltmeters is to, the digital voltmeters is to give a accuracy, because in the analog voltmeters the accuracy is a few percent is low compared to that of a digital one. So in the digital cases we have a parts per million accuracy will be obtained. So the word digital is so special analog one. The digital voltmeter displays the voltage readings of an circuit numerically. It displays the numerical values, that is voltage values in the display one. The initially analog voltmeters were used to take the readings of the voltages, wherein a pointer or indicator moves across the scale in proportion to the voltage of the circuit, and later the digital voltmeters were introduced, which gives the numerically display of the voltage with accuracy. This article will discuss what is voltmeter, how does it work, the steps, function, types, application, disadvantages, advantages, as like this. Okay. For all this, the first one, what is digital voltmeter? In the previous slides we have discussed what you mean by voltmeter and what you mean by digital one. That is, in this slide we are comparing both the digital and the voltmeter, mixing to form a digital voltmeter. So what is a digital voltmeter? The digital voltmeter, abbreviated as DVM, is an instrument used to measure an electrical potential differences between the 2 points. That potential differences we are calling it as a voltage and the circuit. The voltage could be alternating current, that is AC current, or maybe a direct current. It shows the voltages for both the AC current and also for the DC current. It measures the input voltage after converting the analog voltage to digital voltage. Here we have to note down that the input voltage is in the form of a digital one. Analog one. The analog one is converted it into a digital one and displays in a display devices. It is in the number formation using a converter. The usage of digital voltmeter has increased the speed, accuracy with which the readings are noted. A typical DVM, that is digital voltmeter, is shown in the given figure below. Okay, this DVM, that is digital voltmeter, which converts an analog voltages into digital voltage and displays in a display box. Next, this digital voltmeter, the exact definition is, the digital voltmeter is an electronic testing equipment. We have to test the electronic equipment that is used for measuring the electrical potential difference between the two conductors in the circuit. That is the 2 points where the conductance is carried out. Between the 2 points we are calculating the potential differences in the circuit, that is called as digital voltmeter. This digital voltmeter was invented by Andrew Kay and produced the first digital voltmeter in 1954. Up to 1954 we are using the analog meters. That is very difficult to note down the values. That is, if for example, if the value is in between 2 to 2.5, then the reading of taking the difference reading is 2 to 2.5, that is 2.2 or 2.3. But in case of digital voltmeter, it exactly give the value, that is 2.253, like that. The digits depends upon the how we have built the circuit, that is digital voltmeter. So Andrew Kay invented this first digital voltmeter in 1950. Okay, next this slide. Here we are showing that the circuit diagram of digital voltmeter. See here, these are all the inputs that we are giving. The input in the form of R and C, resistance and conductance were connected. Here the input signals, that is in the form of analog signals, is introduced into this circuit. The circuit is built by using here ICs, different ICs were using here. ICL 7101 IC is used here. It depends upon the how many digits of voltmeter required. See here we are using in this circuit, we are using the 4 digits DVM. If you want more than that, 5 digits DVM, 6 digit DVM, this circuit diagram is built by adding these input devices along with the output. Otherwise it will be decreased. So depends upon the how many digits were required, we are building this input analog signal is converted into output digital one, that is displayed in the display boxes. Okay, this is the circuit diagram of DVM. Depends upon the how many digits that we required. Okay, the next one is features, the salient features of DVM. Okay, the salient first one is it is very small in size. We can carry easily. This is very small in size. We can use anywhere and we can carry it for anywhere. So next, easy construction. The construction of these devices is very easy. Low cost, we can, because it is low cost, maybe within a range of 500,000 or maybe depends upon the capability and capacity. It may be we can buy for the lower costs. The simple adjustment the adjustment is so simple for the old meters, then easy to read from a distance because it is a digital one. We can read the numbers from the distances from the far away. We can read this, but in case of analogs we can't read the readings from the distances because it leads to the error formations. So the digital one is easy to read from the distance one. Next, few external components. It includes only the few external components. It is not a complicated one. So these are all the salient features for the digital voltmeter. The next one, classification of voltmeters depends upon the voltmeters that we require. Here we are going to classify it into many types. For example, analog voltmeters that we are used in the previous cases, digital one, now we are using the digital displays in the form of digital one, electrostatic voltmeters, oscilloscope voltmeters, micro voltmeters can be also using in the laboratories, vacuum tube voltmeters. Here we are using the vacuum tube input for the input formations, solenoid voltmeters. So different types of voltmeters were introduced depend upon the requirement and depend upon the requirement side where they have been used. Okay, then the advantages of digital voltmeter. The digital voltmeter have a different advantages. So many advantages can be seen in the digital voltmeter. The first one is digital format display aids visual convenience. So here the display of this one is very convenient to us because it displays in an easy manner. We can read clearly in this digital one. They are very accurate, having high resolutions. The resolution is very high and accurate number. We are getting the accurate number here. So we can using this digital voltmeter with a high accuracy and with high resolution. They are robust and precise than their analog counterparts. Compared to that of an analog counterparts, it is very precise one. This is very precise one and robust one. So we can use this for the conveniences, for our conveniences, because it is so precise one. Okay. So this is about the digital voltmeter. Thank you for watching this video.